Enabling the Roundup feature in GoHenry is a straightforward process that allows parents to teach their children the importance of saving and responsible money management. To start, log into your GoHenry account using your email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Account Management section, where you can find the Roundup option. The Roundup feature works by rounding up each purchase made by your child to the nearest pound or dollar, and transferring the difference into their savings account. For example, if your child spends $3.50 on a purchase, the Roundup feature will transfer $0.50 into their savings account. This feature helps children develop a habit of saving and makes it easier for them to build up their savings over time. To enable the Roundup feature, select the child's account you want to apply the feature to, and look for the Roundup option. Toggle the switch to turn it on, and choose the savings account where you want the rounded up amounts to be transferred. You can also set a maximum daily or weekly transfer limit to control how much is transferred into the savings account. It is essential to discuss the Roundup feature with your child and explain how it works, so they understand the importance of saving and can make the most of this feature. By enabling the Roundup feature in GoHenry, you can help your child develop good money habits and a strong foundation for their financial future. Regularly review your child's account activity and savings progress to ensure they are on track with their savings goals. By following these simple steps, you can enable the Roundup feature in GoHenry and start teaching your child the value of saving and responsible money management. This feature is an excellent way to help your child build up their savings and develop good financial habits that will last a lifetime.